Welcome back to Luxury Wheels Review. Today, we take you inside one of the boldest and most futuristic creations in the world of luxury motorhomes, the Ferrari Motorhome. Imagine the elegance of a Ferrari supercar transformed into a futuristic, compact home on wheels. It's sleek, it's daring, and it's unlike anything else on the road. This is the ultimate statement of luxury travel. From the very first glance, the exterior design of the Ferrari Motorhome commands attention. The body is sculpted like a spaceship, yet unmistakably Ferrari in its DNA. Finished in glossy pearl white, every curve flows with aerodynamic precision, as if the vehicle is slicing through air even while standing still. Golden LED strips trace the body contours, emphasizing the aggressive yet elegant Ferrari styling. At the front, a bold nose carries the Ferrari badge proudly, flanked by razor-thin V-shaped headlights that shine with futuristic sharpness. Below, the bumper integrates black aerodynamic air intakes with golden edges, giving this motorhome the face of a Ferrari hypercar. The panoramic windshield stretches wide, tinted to perfection, creating the impression of a supercar cockpit on a massive scale. Along the sides, large tinted windows reveal glimpses of the premium interiors, while 6 enormous black alloy wheels with golden rims anchor the vehicle to the showroom floor. Every detail screams innovation, performance, and exclusivity. This is not just a motorhome, it's a Ferrari lifestyle brought to life. Step inside and the lounge welcomes you with Ferrari-inspired sophistication. Unlike oversized RVs that feel like rolling mansions, this lounge is compact yet premium, emphasizing space efficiency without sacrificing luxury. Glossy, pearl-white wall panels curve around the cabin, highlighted by golden LED strip lighting that flows like racing lines across the surfaces. Seating is crafted in black leather with Ferrari orange accents, stitched and contoured like the seats of a supercar, yet designed for comfort on long journeys. A sleek low table in glossy black with golden edges anchors the space, blending futuristic design with everyday function. Panoramic tinted windows stretch along the walls, but instead of views of open landscapes, you see reflections of showroom walls and cars, grounding you in Ferrari's world of exclusivity. The lounge is minimal, modern, and undeniably Ferrari. Compact proportions, high-tech mood, and a design language that feels more like stepping into a hypercar interior than into an RV. Moving to the bedroom, the Ferrari Motorhome continues its compact luxury philosophy. The space is minimal but crafted with precision. The bed frame is sleek and black, floating slightly above the floor with golden LED glow beneath, and it carries Ferrari orange bedding with black detailing that mirrors the brand's signature colors. The walls and ceiling are finished in glossy pearl white with golden LED accents tracing their contours, wrapping the room in a soft, warm glow. Tinted side windows add reflections that make the room feel futuristic and intimate at the same time. Storage is cleverly hidden in built-in panels, flush, seamless, and almost invisible. No bulky wardrobes or oversized features, just subtle compartments that blend perfectly into the design. This isn't the bedroom of a sprawling mansion on wheels. It's the bedroom of a Ferrari-inspired futuristic suite, compact, efficient, and wrapped in the aura of Italian luxury. The kitchen follows the same design philosophy. Instead of an expansive, traditional kitchen, you get a compact, futuristic, Ferrari-style galley. Glossy pearl white cabinets flow seamlessly, handle-free, with golden LED lighting tracing every edge. The countertop is minimal, finished in matte black with a small induction cooktop and a slim futuristic sink. Ferrari orange and black accents carry through into the seating area, creating harmony with the rest of the interior. Tinted windows above the counter look out into the showroom, bouncing light across the glossy surfaces. Every square inch of this kitchen is space-saving, yet premium, designed to deliver essentials without compromise. It's not built for cooking a feast, but rather for matching the sleek, efficient lifestyle Ferrari owners expect. The bathroom is compact but stunning, showcasing Ferrari's ability to turn even small spaces into experiences. Glossy pearl white panels curve around the room, contrasted with black detailing and illuminated by golden LED strips integrated into the walls and ceiling. The sink is small yet high-tech, sitting on a floating black counter with chrome accents. The toilet is sleek, finished in pearl white with subtle black lines. A minimal shower space is enclosed by tinted frameless glass, with golden light glowing at the base, and a futuristic rain shower head embedded flush into the ceiling. A small tinted window above the sink reflects the showroom walls outside. Even though it's compact, this bathroom feels more like stepping into a Ferrari-designed showcase than into a motorhome washroom. Every detail is premium, purposeful, and beautifully futuristic. Now, let's step into the cockpit, the heart of this motorhome. Immediately, you feel Ferrari's racing DNA. The dashboard stretches wide in glossy pearl white, edged with chrome and black trim, while golden LED strips outline its curves. The steering wheel is inspired directly by Ferrari racing design, flat-bottomed, sleek, and packed with touch-sensitive controls. A digital interface spans across the dashboard, minimal yet futuristic, glowing softly with displays for navigation, speed, and system monitoring. The seats are Ferrari-style racing seats in black leather with orange inserts, deeply bolstered for a sporty look, yet scaled down to fit the compact proportions of a motorhome cockpit. Overhead, the ceiling integrates subtle golden LED strips in aerodynamic lines, reinforcing the brand's design language. And of course, the panoramic windshield dominates the view, tinted and sweeping wide, facing directly into the showroom. Sitting here, you don't feel like you're in a traditional motorhome. You feel like you're piloting a futuristic Ferrari supercar stretched into another category of design. When it comes to performance, the Ferrari Motorhome delivers what you'd expect from a brand defined by speed and engineering excellence. Its aerodynamic structure isn't just for show, it reduces drag and increases efficiency. Powered by Ferrari's advanced drivetrain technology, this motorhome is built to combine power with precision. The handling is engineered to provide responsiveness far beyond what you'd ever expect from a vehicle of this size, while the acceleration and power delivery stay true to Ferrari's reputation. This is not just a luxury vehicle, it's a machine that moves with the heart of a Ferrari. And of course, all of this comes with a price tag that reflects its exclusivity. With Ferrari design, engineering, and craftsmanship at its core, the Ferrari Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury category. While premium motorhomes from other brands already cross into the million-dollar range, the Ferrari Motorhome takes it further, appealing only to the most dedicated enthusiasts and collectors. It is not just transportation, it is the extension of a lifestyle built on performance, prestige, and design excellence. The Ferrari Motorhome is proof that luxury travel can be reimagined without losing the essence of performance. Compact yet premium, futuristic yet unmistakably Ferrari, it's the bridge between supercar adrenaline and motorhome comfort. This is Ferrari's vision of taking the road in style, speed, and absolute exclusivity. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the Ferrari Motorhome, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts on this incredible creation, and of course, subscribe to Luxury Wheels Review for more in-depth reviews of the world's most exclusive and luxurious vehicles.